last month, Google responded to Apple's announcement of its September 12 launch event by revealing that Pixel 8 Pro will get an official launch on October 4th. It's little over a week from that moment, and it is already like Google can barely contain the excitement towards the upcoming event. Case is that today it released two teaser videos. The first one is a more proper teaser of the two, which was quick glimpses of the product, including Pixel Watch 2, Pixel 8 Pro. If this wasn't enough, even after an hour later, it produces the next teaser video, which is anything but a teaser. It pretty much a full product reveal in 23 seconds. The leaks are accurate. The Pixel and 8 Pro will have the same design language as its predecessor with small enhancement here and there. The Pro will have an additional infrared thermometer to its back for whatever reason, nobody knows why. And there is a Pixel Watch also. Pixel Watch looks the same, but it is rumored to come with a Snapdragon W5 chipset this time, giving it substantially better performance and better mileage, lasting power than the Pixel Watch.